What's up, guys? Today, hey guys, it's me. Hey guys. So guys, back I was saying. So let's try this again. Hey everybody, it's me, Hunter Firestone, the Beyblade Burst fanboy, 2004 here. Today, I'm going to do a review on the Falcon and the Winter Soldier. Let's get to the plot. So basically what the plot is, it takes place after Avengers Endgame left off, after they defeat Thanos, because this show takes place after Avengers Endgame. Back I was saying. So yeah. Steve Rogers is retiring as Captain America. Now it's up to Sam Wilson to become the new Captain America, and that's what the plot is. I gotta say, this is definitely an awesome show. It'll be definitely a great show. Well, it's not as good as sorry, my voice sounds funny. Sorry, my voice sounds funny because my throat's bothering me, but I'll be fine. And my voice sounds like SpongeBob. Excuse me. Hands. Grabby Benny, Patty. So guys, but I was saying, the story's great. The cast was good. The story is pretty good. Cast was great. Great. Sam Wilson, aka the new Captain America, he's easily my favorite character movie. That's why Sam Wilson, aka the new Captain America himself, is easily the best character of the film. He's an awesome character. You have to play him the amazing job. So yeah. The Bucky, or aka the Winter Soldier, he's great. Then let's talk about the villain right here. Honestly, I'm sorry, he's a horrible villain. This is an imposter Captain America, or the evil Captain America, whatever his name is. Honestly, that guy is a horrible villain. He's gonna be a bad villain. Is he the worst MCU villain ever? No, that goes to Origin Killian as the worst MCU villains ever. And I know, guys, I am not taking it to an extreme. It's just what it is. Then the action scenes were great. Were brilliant. It's brilliant. I do love the action scenes. Then the CGI is great. Then the visuals and the special effects were great. We're good. Overall, I'll give the show a 9 out of 10. Good show. And also we have this guy right there. This character. That character is okay, I guess. Then we have this girl. She's good. So that's my review on the Falcon and the Winter Soldier. My next review is Loki. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my Loki review.